everyone, Lauren Liddell here with Motor City Spindle Repair. Thank you for joining me on my Spindle Chick Chat. Why do CNC spindles overheat? Let's dive on in. CNC spindles are the heart of modern manufacturing. But like any complex machine, they can be prone to overheating. So why do CNC spindles overheat? One major reason is inadequate cooling systems. Insufficient airflow, clogged vents, or malfunctioning cooling units can prevent heat from dissipating efficiently. Poor spindle design, misalignment, or inadequate maintenance can also contribute to overheating. Using inappropriate tooling or materials for the job can increase friction and heat buildup. Operational factors like excessive spindle speed, depth of cut, or continuous operation without rest periods can push temperatures too high. Regular monitoring and maintenance are crucial to preventing overheating and extending spindle lifespan. By understanding these factors, manufacturers can take proactive steps to prevent CNC spindle overheating and optimize production. Reliability, efficiency, and precision, the keys to manufacturing excellence. Thanks for checking out my Spindle Chick Chat. If you need CNC spindle repair, reach out to the best, Motor City Spindle Repair.